Is your iPhone refusing to charge no matter what you try? Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'll walk you through simple effective steps to troubleshoot and fix your iPhone charging port issue. Whether it's dust buildup or something more serious, I've got you covered. Hi, welcome back to our channel. We create tutorials to help you get the most of your tech device using simple and practical tips. Let's dive right into the steps to get your iPhone charging again. The first step is to inspect the charging port for dust or debris. Sometimes, dirt or link can build up inside your iPhone charging port, blocking the connection. Here is how you can check and clean it. First, grab a flashlight and carefully inspect the port. If you see a dirt or link, use a non-metallic tool like a toothpick, anti-static brush, or even a soft toothbrush to gently clean it out. Avoid using metal objects like needles or pins as they can damage the port. Pro tip: if you are using canned air to blow out the debris, make sure to hold the can upright to avoid spraying moisture inside. The next step is to eliminate the possibility of a faulty charger. Use another Apple certified lightning cable and adapter if you have one. You can try charging your iPhone with someone else's charger or test your charger on another iPhone. This helps confirm whether the issue is with your charger or your iPhone. Another step is to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that often affect charging. To restart, press and release the volume up button, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. You should also check for physical damage. Inspect your charging port for any signs of physical damage like bent pin, etc. If you notice anything unusual, it may indicate a software issue that needs professional repair. Be careful not to force the charger into the port if it doesn't fit it easily. Software bugs can sometimes interfere with charging. To make sure your device is up to date, go to Settings, head over to General, then click on Software Update and install any available updates. Keeping your iPhone updated ensures its compatibility with the latest charger and fixes potential bugs. If none of the above steps work, try resetting your iPhone settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data. Go to Settings, then General, and head over to Reset. Next, you click on Reset All Settings. This will reset things like network configuration and custom settings, which might fix the charging issue. If you've tried everything and your iPhone still won't charge, it's time to get a professional assistant. Visit an iPhone store or a customized repair center to have your device inspected. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you fix your iPhone, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. See you next time. Bye bye.